How to find trending YouTube videos. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find the trending YouTube videos by following these simple steps. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the YouTube application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the left above or upper corner of the screen on the explore option. Afterwards, a new page is going to appear in which there are a set of options, for example, trending, music, live, gaming, news, sports, learning, fashion, and beauty. So you're going to go and tap on the trending one that is at the very first number. Afterwards, you're going to get series of trending videos on now. And now this trending has been categorized into music, gaming, and movies. So when you'll go into the option of music that is just beside to the now, it would have all the trending music videos. So when you will go over to the gaming one, it'll consist of all the videos related to games that are trending on YouTube. And when you'll go over to the movies, it will contain the trailers or the movies or anything that is related to movies that is trending on the YouTube. And in the now one, you'll have a mixture of music, gaming, movies, or any video that is trending on YouTube at the moment. So, this is how you find trending YouTube videos in a simple and easy, quick way. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace out.